Hello and welcome back to Nail Vibes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, my lovely nail lovers, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you are seeing this channel or this video for the very first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, my lovely ladies, watching this video which I have compiled for you today, you see that these nails are so extravagant. They look so good and gorgeous. These are the best collections of creative acrylic nail designs meant for you, my gorgeous ladies. So watch this video to the end and pick your best light. So in case you are looking for the latest and trendy nail designs to make on your nails for any occasion of your choice, because these nails can be rocked to any occasion that you so wish, watch this video and pick a slide that best suit your outfit. Okay, these nails are so gorgeous, catchy and unique. I tell you, as you watch, you will definitely get many designs that you will make on your nails. Thank you as you watch the video to the very end, and as you do, kindly do support my channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like this video and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And if there's any kind of video you would like to see me make in my next upload, you can put it down there in the comment section and I will get it done for you. See you guys again in my next upload. Bye for now.